Welcome back on this Chapter 7 video on Macro and VBA tutorial series. In this chapter, we will learn using the with block in macro code. To understand the use of with block, let's go back to the code that we wrote in previous chapter. That was regarding changing the font properties. Here, if you notice, this part of the code is repeating in every line. Writing same thing time and again consumes a lot of time. So, we will use here with block to avoid repeating this part of code. We will write this repeated code at one line, then add the variable part of code. Let's start. How do we do this? As we did in previous chapters, first, create a new sheet and module for using with block. First, write some value in a range using macro code. Now to change the font properties of the text, write the object to implement with block. Write with range A1 to B5 dot font. Now press enter. Press the tab key. Dot name equal to Arial. Press enter. Dot size equal to 20. Press enter. Dot color equal to VB blue. Press enter. Dot bold equal to true. Press enter. Dot underline equal to true. Press enter. Now close the with block. For this, press the backspace key, then type end with. Now, these variables will be applied to the object that is range A1 to B5 dot font. Let's run the code step by step by pressing the F8 key. So, this is how we can use the with block to shorten the repetitive macro codes in VBA. Thank you so much for watching. In the next chapter, we will learn writing macro code for borders and text alignment. See you soon in next chapter.